At Rheem and across our global family of brands, we're proud to be one of the largest manufacturers of heating and cooling, water heating, refrigeration, and pool and spa equipment. And we know your experience depends not just on great equipment, but on having the right parts available when you need them. That's why, in 2005, Rheem launched RPD Rheem Parts Division. What started as a small parts support department in Fort Smith, Arkansas, has grown into the go-to source for air and water heater service parts nationwide. With strategic distribution centers, we're equipped to deliver what you need, where you need it, and when you need it. At RPD, we are the replacement parts experts. We challenge the status quo by offering a vast range of solutions, from OEM genuine factory authorized ProTech to our versatile aftermarket TrueLine offerings. No matter your budget or application, we've got the part for the job. With over 50,000 replacement parts, tools, and accessories, RPD is a one-stop shop for HVAC and water heater professionals. And with a 1-year limited warranty, unless otherwise specified, on all ProTech OEM parts, you can count on the quality, reliability, and backing of the Rheem family. Our distribution headquarters in Randleman, North Carolina, spans over 300,000 square feet, home to the majority of our product shipments. But we're more than just parts. We help you sell with a full suite of marketing tools, from end caps and signage to promotional videos and merchandising systems. We are leaders in technology too, with Rheem's first live-to-market website and a 360-degree automation photography system to bring our catalog to life. We have robust tools to help streamline finding the right part, such as serial number and model number lookup. And for those out in the field, our RPD training room is open for contractors to host hands-on trainings and meetings, right where innovation happens. As we celebrate Rheem's 100 years of innovation, RPD proudly stands at the forefront of what's next, powered by a passion for possibilities, a commitment to partnership, and a pursuit of excellence. RPD, Rheem Parts Division, where reliable parts meet endless possibilities.